It's too late. It's too late.
C'est trop tard. C'est trop tard.
Early. Early.
Tôt.
I wake up early. I wake up early.
Je me lève tôt. Je me lève tôt.
Soon. Soon.
Bientôt. Bientôt.
We will arrive soon. We will arrive soon.
Nous arriverons bientôt. Nous arriverons bientôt.
Already. Already.
Déjà.
Have you eaten already? Have you eaten already?
Tu as déjà mangé? Tu as déjà mangé?
Yesterday. Yesterday.
Hier. Hier.
I haven't seen him since yesterday. I haven't seen him since yesterday.
Je ne l'ai pas vu depuis hier. Je ne l'ai pas vu depuis hier.
Today. Today.
Aujourd'hui.
It is sunny today. It is sunny today.
Il fait beau aujourd'hui. Il fait beau aujourd'hui.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Demain. Demain.
It's going to rain tomorrow. It's going to rain tomorrow.
Il va pleuvoir demain. Il va pleuvoir demain.
It's going to rain tomorrow. Long. Long.
Longtemps. Longtemps.
It won't take long. It won't take long.
Ça ne prendra pas longtemps. Ça ne prendra pas longtemps.
It won't take long. At length. At length.
Longuement.
They talked about it at length. They talked about it at length.
Ils en ont parlé longuement. Ils en ont parlé longuement.
They talked about it at length. Now. Now.
Maintenant. Maintenant.
We leave now. We leave now.
Nous partons maintenant. Nous partons maintenant.
Before. Before.
Avant. Avant.
It was better before. It was better before.
C'était mieux avant. C'était mieux avant.
After. After.
Après. Après.
I will go after work. I will go after work.
J'irai après le travail. J'irai après le travail.
Again, still. Again, still.
Encore. Encore.
They will come back again and again. They will come back again and again.
Ils reviendront encore et encore. Ils reviendront encore et encore.
She still lives at this address. She still lives at this address.
Elle vit encore à cette adresse? Elle vit encore à cette adresse?
She still lives at this address. At last. At last.
Enfin.
I have finished at last. I have finished at last.
J'ai enfin terminé. J'ai enfin terminé.
Then. Then.
Ensuite. Ensuite.
Then, we will put it in the oven. Then, we will put it in the oven.
On va ensuite le mettre au four. On va ensuite le mettre au four.
Currently. Currently.
Actuellement. Actuellement.
You can't currently buy this product. You can't currently buy this product.
Vous ne pouvez actuellement pas acheter ce produit. Vous ne pouvez actuellement pas acheter ce produit.
Lately. Lately.
Dernièrement. Dernièrement.
I smoke a lot, lately. I smoke a lot, lately.
Je fume beaucoup dernièrement. Je fume beaucoup dernièrement.
Suddenly. Suddenly.
Soudain. Soudain.
He has suddenly stopped smoking. He has suddenly stopped smoking.
Il a soudain arrêté de fumer. Il a soudain arrêté de fumer.
Never. Never.
Jamais. Jamais.
I will never forget. I will never forget.
Je n'oublierai jamais. Je n'oublierai jamais.
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Parfois. Parfois.
She sometimes eats outside. She sometimes eats outside.
Elle mange parfois dehors. Elle mange parfois dehors.
Rarely. Rarely.
Rarement.
I rarely go to the cinema. I rarely go to the cinema.
Je vais rarement au cinéma. Je vais rarement au cinéma.
Je veux y aller.
I want to go there. I want to go there.
C'est un plaisir.
It is a pleasure. It is a pleasure.
Ça fait longtemps.
Long time no see. Long time no see.
Parlez plus lentement s'il vous plaît.
Please speak more slowly. Please speak more slowly.
Parles-tu espagnol?
Do you speak Spanish? Do you speak Spanish?
Oui, je parle espagnol.
Yes, I speak Spanish. Yes, I speak Spanish.
Parlez-vous anglais?
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Oui, je parle l'anglais.
Yes, I speak English. Yes, I speak English.
Pouvez-vous l'écrire s'il vous plaît?
Can you write it down, please? Can you write it down, please?
Combien ça coûte?
How much is it? How much is it?
Se rétablir rapidement.
Get well soon. Get well soon.
Bonne année.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Joyeux anniversaire.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé?
What happened? What happened?
Que se passe-t-il?
What's happening? What's happening?
Qui aimes-tu?
Who do you like? Who do you like?
Peux-tu le croire?
Can you believe it? Can you believe it?
Je ne peux pas y croire.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
C'est une belle journée.
It is a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day.
C'est un jour pluvieux.
It is a rainy day. It is a rainy day.
C'est ensoleillé.
It is sunny. It is sunny.
C'est nuageux.
It is cloudy. It is cloudy.
Il neige.
It is snowing. It is snowing.
Il pleut.
It is raining. It is raining.
Asseyez-vous s'il vous plaît.
Please sit down. Please sit down.
Comment puis-je vous aider?
How may I help you? How may I help you?
Voulez-vous quelque chose à boire?
Do you want something to drink? Do you want something to drink?
Veux-tu quelque chose à manger?
Do you want something to eat? Do you want something to eat?
Quel type de musique aimez-vous?
What type of music do you like? What type of music do you like?
J'ai passé une bonne journée.
I had a fun day. I had a fun day.